This is first Ford electric car, Ford Transits Connect. Actually, the body of this car is made in Turkey, and making something very small, give us the background to be able to work on something like the Mars helicopter. Because on Mars, there is no air, and I get a little bit more into it. Watching the live feed from Mars, and we didn't know we can fly, you know? I mean, we just like, I'm so stressed. I was like, I pray.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't spoken to my parents since last Thursday. Actually, Thursday before last, so it's been over 10 days. So we were so worried. We got hold of someone, went visit them. They're alive now and well. It is very difficult in Gaza. I mean, you know, honestly, I don't know how the situation is, because last time I spoke with them, I only spoke with 30 seconds. So I just know they are alive. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we're talking about looking for water on the moon and looking for water on Mars, and yet, I mean, the world just stays silent regarding, like, you know, water in Gaza. I mean, I have no idea how my parents get water. I know last time was very difficult. You know, I know in north of Gaza now there is like very little water left, or like there is almost no water. It's just people always find different ways, you know. I mean, luckily it's been raining in Gaza, so that's kind of maybe help out a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I'm so worried about even my parents. I mean, there's 3 shells hit, you know, my father, where he's staying in his old clinic. I mean, my father is a surgeon. I mean, my father used to be the head of surgery in Gaza. And, you know, I mean, they killed the president of the Islamic University in Gaza. I mean, he's an astrophysicist, so actually he's a very well-known. He have many publications in astrophysics and space. You know, I mean, there's many more, like professors and doctors and ambulance drivers. I don't think they discriminate. This is all intentional killing of most people. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure a way to help my parents. We need to really stop. This need to be a ceasefire. I mean, every country, including Turkey, need to try to do whatever they're in power to try to stop this. Because I mean, it's really sad as a human being. I'm not even just talking about as a Palestinian. As a human being, to allow these things happen. You know, this is not good. You know, because we cross a line. When somebody cross a line, it allows everybody else to cross a line. I mean, you know, we could see this already. Like Russia is increasing their attacks. The future will have a lot more wars if we don't stop this now.